am so tired.
Who's to know what happens when the world ends? At least this is an okay bar for running into you. It's an awful house, and I wanted to get you.
It's been a minute. I'm just about to eat breakfast, even if it's like 12 minutes past 12. So yeah, I'm having a late breakfast, but in an hour and a half I have a doctor's appointment I have to be at. So I'm going to literally eat and then get ready and go for my appointment. So I don't really have much planned for the day. I have the next few days off work, which is good. So it's rest that I need because I've been so busy with work. But I don't want to talk too much because I need to eat and I need to get ready so my food doesn't get cold and I don't miss my appointment. So yeah.
On a brittle fun night, she was doing fine and I was doing right, falling into daydreams of our lives. I tried my best to hide feelings deep inside, starstruck in those eyes. I didn't think she knew my existence, wondering with all persistence, wondering where she gone, falling further on. Stay, don't wanna play princess, don't fade, cause one day you'll be mine. Don't wanna stay, don't wanna play princess, don't fade, cause one day you'll be mine. When we met she was so perfect, walked the beach to songs that we heard of, falling into daydreams of life. Daylights, feelings deep inside, starstruck in those eyes. I didn't think she knew my existence, wondering with all persistence, wondering where she gone, falling further on. Don't wanna stay, don't wanna play princess, don't fade, cause one day you'll be mine. Don't wanna stay, don't wanna play princess, don't fade, cause one day you'll be mine.
I am so tired. Hi, so don't mind this very odd angle. I'm trying to take down my braids. I've had this in for a minute and my hair is just so itchy at the moment, so I'm going to try to like take it out, wash my hair and get ready because I want to try and go for boxing classes later this evening. I missed my Pilates this morning because I don't think I said this in any of my recent vlogs, but I took like a 2-month break from the gym just because I was very busy at work. And you can probably tell from my posting schedule, it's just been like off and on like recently. I'm trying to get back into being more, but I'm trying to get back into being more consistent. So I've started going to the gym again, and by the time I'm filming or recording this clip, it will be 3rd of December, so I don't know when this vlog is going to come up. I just have like little montages of me going to work because I haven't really been able to vlog. I just go to work like by 7:30. I leave my house at 7:30 to start work at like 9:30 a.m. and then I close by 7:30, and then I'm coming back home, and it's just work home, nothing much really, and people watching as I record this. So that's what I'm going to do, take down my braids and try to wash my hair. See if you can see, like it's just so dirty, like really dirty. Lucky for me, it doesn't take me much time to take down braids, so this should be fairly fast. I give myself like 10 minutes and I'll be done. So while I'm losing this hair, I'm definitely not going to film the whole thing because I'm going to start like a movie on my phone while I take down my braids. Just going to go like really fast. So I'm going to put like a horror movie. There was one that Netflix added a few days ago. If I go on my list and check, I'll put the name on the screen. Can't remember the name actually, so I'm just going to watch that as I take down my braids, and I'll see you guys in a few minutes. And I love the new update on the iPhone. I can listen to music as I record. I don't know how it's going to affect the audio though, but this is nice. I don't have to stop my music to record a video. I've been waiting for this for years, and I was like, when are they going to do this? And yeah, they finally added that feature, so that's nice. My hair is all loosened now. I need to marinate turkey wings, so I'm going to go to the kitchen and do that now before I actually go and wash my hair or comb my hair. So I'm going to put on my bonnet to protect the meat and everything, and then spice, marinate my turkey, and then go and wash my hair. I definitely am not going to make it to the gym in time for my class, so that will just be, I'll go for tomorrow's boxing class, which is totally fine. I'm giving myself the grace to be able to be flexible and just do things the way that I can do things, and not just like pressurize myself to do more than I can. So that's what I'm going to do now.
Saw your silhouette